Your time is now 6:03. We are moving forward this morning away from pandemic rules and regulations. People in the state of California have been able to go maskless indoors since midnight. The reality is you probably haven't left your home yet to experience this. But when you do you need to bring a mask with you wherever you go this morning, just in case? ABC 10's Lena Howland brings us the answers this morning from the state capitol. So, Lena, unfortunately, I guess it's still unclear, or are you going to clear this up? You may need it, you may not.
Yeah, that's right. Well, we are going to clear that up for you, but it's always a good idea to bring that mask with you. Keep it in your pocket just in case. So today, the state has changed their mask mandate to now only strongly recommending wearing masks moving forward. This is news that will impact every single person across the state. Each county gets to decide for itself whether to follow the state's lead or keep a mask mandate in place. Counties in our area that are dropping the indoor mask requirement on Wednesday include El Dorado, Nevada, Placer, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Stanislaus, Solano, Sutter, Yolo, and Yuba counties. There, people who are fully vaccinated can go without a mask in indoor public spaces, though businesses can still choose to keep a mask requirement in place for all customers and employees. For those of you heading out to work this morning, even if the county has dropped the mandate. Dr. Tom Hopkins, an internal medicine physician out of Roseville, told us even though this mask mandate is lifting, now is not the time to let your guard down.
And my message to folks is do the right thing. If you're going to be in an environment where there's a lot of people in close quarters, you don't know their vaccine status, then do the things that you can protect you and your family. You know, hand washing, social distancing when you can, and wearing a mask.
I just hope it's more long-term than last time. You know, we all thought when we got vaccinated that we were going to be mask-free pretty much at that point, right? And that didn't really happen, so it'd be great.
Places where masks will still be required for now statewide include public transit, healthcare settings, correctional facilities, homeless shelters, and also schools. For people who are unvaccinated, universal masking is still required. And for students heading off to school this morning, we're going to take a closer look at how soon their mask mandate could be lifted. And we'll also hear from some frustrated parents over this mixed messaging from the state coming up in the next half hour.
Okay, thank you very much. That's Lena Howland at the state capitol. So at least for now, masks are required for all students and staff indoors at Sacramento State University. A letter sent by the university president says that over the next 2 weeks, the school's COVID task force is going to consult health officials to figure out what the next step. Students are required to get the booster shot by the end of this month.
And while new this morning, mask requirements for both Disneyland and Disney World will end starting tomorrow. Now, this is only for vaccinated guests. All guests will wear masks on transportation inside both of the parks. Whether the changes apply to Disneyland and Disney World employees is still unclear.